All right, guys. So today we are going to continue with our HTML website. Okay. And I'm going to show you how to easily add an image to your website. So the first thing we would like to do is open up our website. And you're going to have to go to your folder. Actually, it might be even better if you go to the internet and you find a picture to add to the website. If you take a picture of yourself, you can use that as well. I mean, if you made one on Photoshop, that would be cool too. I'm just gonna go to. Looks like my Chrome is not working. I'm just gonna go to. I'm gonna go to my Wilson folder, and I'm gonna go to my website folder, and you can see I have my website and as it would look like in the browser. I have a picture here already, but again, like I said, you want to just use a picture from the internet. You're going to want to go to Google and save it into your website folder. That hopefully you created and you're keeping all your files and documents, everything in your website in here. Okay, so I'm going to open up first my website. Okay, and you see I already added the picture here. And then I'm going to go back to the folder and I'm going to open it with a different program. I'm going to open with Notepad, and this is where we're typing all the code for our website. And again, like I showed you in the previous video, I like having both um, windows open. So you can see how the website looks like as if we were on the internet, and you can see how it looks like in the coding. So you can see right here, I added my photo. So let me go back. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to save this. Save. And then if I come over to the browser, you'll see that if I refresh it, there goes the photo. So how did I add that photo? Well, to make it real easy, since code is, I don't know the code by heart, and I want to make it easy on myself and you. I really just want you guys to see how to do this, or how they do it in the real world. Um, I find a lot of the code you can find on the internet, but I go to W3 Schools HTML, and I open this up. And if we go through, we scroll down, you can see that they give us all the code right here. You can see we did our different things. I'm going to go to basics, okay, and we're gonna add a picture. So we already did my first paragraph, different size headings, like we did in the last lesson. Now I would like to add an image. So I basically just took this image, and you can see it's got the website reference, and it's got what we're going to call it when you scroll over the picture, and you got the height. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to copy it. Control C is the shortcut. I'll go back to the notepad, and wherever I want to put it in the website, I'm going to paste it. Okay. And if I was to click on the website over here, if I save this and I view it in the website, it's probably going to come up as an error, I would think. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to refresh, and it comes up as basic an error because I don't have the picture saved in my folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to replace the picture, right, the JPEG here, with my picture, image source, JPEG into that website. So going back to the folder, open it up. You see I have a picture here that I already saved. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to select it. Control C. And I'll go back to the code, and I'm going to paste it inside the quotations. And then I'll save. So again, remember, you have to save your picture in your folder, and you're going to use what the picture is called in your code to paste it there. Now, if I refresh, you see I have a picture of myself there. Okay. And what else? You see the picture is kind of small. So if you wanted to make it larger, come over and you can see the width and the height are fairly small for pixels. And let's just say I want to make it 300 by We go 342. Oop, I don't need to put enter there. And I will save this as well. Save, and I'm going to refresh. Bam, and there's a picture of me. And it's like, what is going on, guys? You need to get your work done. Okay, so how am I going to check this to give you a grade, especially on the last week of the marking period? We got exams next week, so I'd like to kind of finish this activity up with us. Again, I want you to show me that you wrote the code or copied the code and show me what it looks like. So you're going to use your snippet tool. Go down to your programs, look for your snipping tool. You can also type in snip down here and it'll come up. Click on that. You're going to do a new snip. You're going to select both your website and the code. And you're going to either copy it or save it. Okay, you can save it right here, save the snip, and you can go back to the Google Classroom and paste it in there. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you're showing me that you're doing the work and you're kind of, you're getting these activities done and you're kind of learning something. Okay, hope that helps. And again, get that done. Let me know, and I'll put the grade in the book. You guys have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow.